Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to crop in Canva. And I'm gonna make it a very easy and very simple tutorial. So first, I want you to click on any element or any image you want to go ahead and crop. So let's say I want to crop this, okay? And all you do, guys, is come here. At the top, you'll see this option that says crop. You can go ahead and click on this, and I see many different options. So we have freeform crops, we have aspect ratio crops as well. You can choose those as well. So if I do this, for example, as you can see crops according to that aspect ratio. Okay. And what I will do, guys, is I'll do freeform. You can also do smart crop as well, or even expand. But what I'll do is here, you drag from the edges. So if I, let's say, see, the shoulders are going away. Let's say I want to crop from down here, right? I want to reduce till here. There we go. We got rid of all that. And now I can bring his body down further. So that is one thing you can do. So it is pointing to this text. And there you go. That is how you crop an image or element in Canva.